this vessel today. This is a black urn from Hobby Lobby. And this is actually a special request, a bouquet request that I got. And I had originally told the person that I don't think I have flowers. Sorry, the tulips are done. The ranunculus haven't started yet. It's so cold outside. It's actually supposed to be a low of 26 this week. We're not happy about that. The spring flowers are taking a long time this year. But then I thought about it and I thought, well, okay, we've got a lot of blossoming branches here in Ohio. It is May the 6th today. So I went foraging this morning and found a lot of stuff, and we also have lilac that's blooming, so I think we can do something. So let's see what we got. I like to set the shape of the bouquet with a couple of branches, and then, you know, the shape might evolve as time goes on, but at least start with an idea of what you want to do. You always want to snip up the bottom of the stems to help them absorb more water. The idea here is to have sort of a twiggy dancing bit above the bouquet and then fill it in a little closer to the base to sort of help it, give it an anchor, I guess we say. Now, the thing about lilacs is that they have all these green leaves with them, And I think for them to really make a statement, we have to take those off. So I'm gonna try to remove most of the leaves, of course below the water line, but then also these little offshoots.